everyone, Namaskar, this is me Rimlim and I welcome you all to my channel. How have you guys been? I hope you all are doing good. I have been doing quite well lately. I guess it has been quite some time we haven't done videos on, skincare or makeup or anything of that sort related to that sort. But don't you worry. In today's video, basically in tonight's video, I'll be doing my nighttime skincare routine with only one brand products, and this brand is none other than Bella Vita Organic. So basically, I'll be sharing about the products with you all. I'll be using the products along the video, and I'll also be reviewing the products about, which one was my favorite, what did I like, what did I didn't like. Basically, this entire video is going to be about my nighttime skincare routine with Bella Vita Organic tonight, and also I'll try to keep it as casual as possible, trying to make it some kind of a chit chat session and not just keeping it, monotonous to talking about only the products and everything. We'll just try to make it as fun as possible, giving my life updates or something. So without doing any delay, let us move on to the video. So for tonight's nighttime skincare routine, I have about 5 products from Bella Vita Organic. It has a face wash, a scrub, and etc, etc. But before sharing about each and every product with you all, I want to share something about the packaging of all the products. First thing is that it has a 3D finish. The packaging, the outer packaging has a 3D finish. I don't know whether it is visible in the camera or not, but in real life, it definitely is visible, like obviously. This is something that caught my attention. And another thing that I liked about all the packages is that they have talked about how the business started initially in a very brief format, and I would like to share about it in a very short and crisp manner with you all. This brand, Bella Vita Organic, it started as a mother-daughter venture. That itself is so amazing because I love things which are taken up by women. So yeah, first point. Secondly, it began as a humble salon in Gurgaon in India back in 2011. I mean, it hasn't been even 10 years and the brand is in such a good reach right now in the market. That is something very commendable. We quickly gained immense popularity through our clients' love and demand for our natural, handmade Ayurvedic beauty products. So basically, they wanted to share their authentic products globally while focusing on purity, efficiency, and clean beauty. So that is basically the idea why they started, and I really loved this thing about the packaging. So my first step tonight is a face wash, and for that we have the Bella Vita Organics Sea Glow Face Wash. This face wash has vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem, and lemon, and it claims to control oil. It prevents acne, helps in detan, and brightens and soothes skin, and this is suitable for all skin types. The design of the bottle is very simple and minimal, which is something that I like. I'll be showing the texture with you all. It doesn't have a strong fragrance at all, but definitely there is a slight hint of citrus in it, which is, I can assure you, this is not disturbing at all. Like, they're not kind of strong fragrances which will be irritating for you. It just has a very slight hint of citrus, which is somehow very soothing and cooling. And it also gives a very, cooling, not sensation exactly, but it makes your skin feel very cool. So I'll be using it on my face now, and let's do it. Usually I do my nighttime skincare routine about half an hour or so before going to bed, but tonight, because I'm shooting the video, I'm literally doing this at around 1 AM in the midnight, and I hope I'm not disturbing my neighbors right now. Also, one of the most important life updates of mine right now, I chopped off my hairs. I got a haircut. I desperately needed a change in me because definitely, there is a point in life when you literally feel that, bro, you need a change. Let's do this. I was not mentally prepared, but I did it and I had an instant regret, to be very honest. But now I'm quite enjoying it. I don't hate it exactly, but yeah, I'm quite enjoying my new look and stuff. Okay, back to the face wash. It's very soft, very gentle on my skin. Soft in the sense, yeah, it's gentle on my skin, easy to use, no fragrance at all, just a hint of citrus in it. According to me, I'm getting that hint of citrus in it. Doing its job, good to go. From my end, it's a... Moving on to the next step, we will be exfoliating our skin, and for that we have the Bella Vita Organic Exfoliate Face and Body Scrub Grit. Now the interesting part is, I don't know what a grit is. I guess that's the, you know, the granule part of the scrub. I don't know, but I have never used something like this before, so this is something very unique, very exceptional, very new to me. It claims to remove dead skin cells, it detans and also polishes the skin, and it has walnut, coffee, coconut oil and rock salt. So basically it is going to be definitely a good scrub, because when there's walnut and coffee, there's no doubt that it's not going to the work. I have to mix the grit with any skincare product of my choice and convert it into a scrub. Okay, for example, for my face, I can use it with a face wash, and for my body with a body lotion or body wash to scrub my knees and elbows and everything, and I need to massage for 2 minutes and wash off, and I can use it on any part of the body. My personal preference out here is that I generally do not use physical exfoliators on my face. Even if I do so, I use it only on the T-zone. This is the T-zone and the chin area, because these are the only areas where I feel I'm oily. The other areas are too dry and I do not want to use physical exfoliators there. On my body, physical exfoliators are a very good friend of mine. Anyways, for the sake of using the product, I'll be using it on my T-zone and my chin area by mixing it with the face wash that I used a few minutes back. As you can see, I'm mixing it with the face wash and using a very little amount, because I'm going to exfoliate only my T-zone and my chin area. Oh, it feels good. Oh, nice. It's actually nice, not bad. Like, I thought it might be too harsh because of the granules, but it isn't. I like it. I like it. Also, oh my god. This is something that I love. Again, it is not a strong fragrance. Seeing my expressions, you might think that it has a lot of fragrance, but it doesn't. But this has a very slight hint, or very slight aroma of coffee, and I love it. Another life update: things are slowly coming back to normal. College has reopened. I'm going to colleges. My exams are probably going on right now. Like, it is going on right now by the time I'm uploading this. Everything is going back to normal, except for the fact that we still have to use masks and sanitizers, obviously, to keep ourselves and everyone around us safe. To make sure you're doing that. And I'm quite enjoying it, being back to the life that we should be usually. But also the fact that we are very used to being at homes now, I'm finding somewhat difficult to, readjust myself to the original life that I should be in. So that's what's happening right now. Coming back to using scrubs or grit or exfoliators, physical exfoliators, to make sure that you're doing it in a very, gentle strokes, and again in a very gentle motion. So I exfoliated well about a minute. So for me, the scrub is about... Before moving on to the third step, let me tell you, my skin feels so clean and like Khali Maidan. It's very clean, it's very clear. Moving on to the third step, we have an eye cream, and this is the Bella Vita Organic Eye Lift Under Eye Gel Creme. It says that it has cucumber, almond and vitamin E. Again, vitamin E being one of the best friends of your skin. Vitamin E will never ever disappoint you, let me tell you. And I actually have been using this for a while. I truly love it because it claims to help, repair dark circles, helps reduce puffy eyes, and also works as an anti-aging wrinkle and anti-aging eye lotion. Except for the third point, the first 2 points where it reduces puffiness and treats dark circles. These are the 2 most important things right now for me, because from the time I have started being a content creator, my sleep schedule is totally screwed up most of the times, most of the days in the weeks. This is kind of my best friend right now. This is a cute tiny bottle, and let me show you the texture. The way it claims, it instantly gives a very light cooling effect, and it is very lightweight and it's very easily absorbing to the skin. It is something that you can use every night because I use eye creams every night. So it is going to help you. Let me tell you, once you apply it, just massage it gently under your eyes, and I like taking it all over to the eyelids and massage it well for about a minute. Also, another thing, I have started using eye creams just a few months back. It's basically from this year itself, from about March or April. For me, they do the primary job of, reducing the puffiness and dark circles, as I have been saying. I don't use it way too much, but I also won't say that I do not use them at all. I do use them, but they are specifically at nights. I avoid using them in the daytime because I don't think they're necessary in your AM routine. Another life update is that, as you can see, I'm using a microphone today. So basically, I am trying to upgrade myself into my own studio, which is in the process. I've already stepped over the first steps. I have the initial things, but I know I need to invest more, and I am working for it, and hopefully by next year, I'm planning to complete everything into a mini studio for myself. I don't know, but these are the very beginnings, and to be very honest, I'm so raw at it. I'm such a big noob at it. Like, this microphone stuff itself, it took me so much time to figure out how to use it. I still can't figure out how to use it. So this is kind of an experiment going on for me. Let me know in the comments what you think about my voice, about the microphone and everything. Just give me some kind of reviews about it, okay? To make sure you do that. So because I have been using this product, the eye cream for me is we're almost inching towards the end, and next I have the Bella Vita Organic Nicolips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. This one has walnut, beetroot and natural butters. I guess it'll help you give a tint to your lips along with scrubbing them, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I'm not wrong. And it also claims to hydrate and soften and brighten our lips in 4 weeks. That is amazing. This is the lip scrub. Let me show you the texture. Okay, it's very soft, it's very light, and the granules are very, very tiny, like I can barely feel them. And another thing is that for the directions that the packet has asked is to apply the scrub on my lips and massage in circular motion and let it sit for around 1-2 minutes and then wash or wipe it off. Basically, I guess the extra 1 or 2 minutes is to make sure that the tint is there on my lips. So let's try it out. This is very velvety and soft in texture. I'm liking it. Oh my god. Wow. Another life update. Since the past 2 to 3 months, I guess I have tried my best to keep my mental health in a good way. And one of the features or consequences of that is that I have stopped being bothered too much about negative things. I have been trying my best to ignore or just avoid negative things which are not necessary to be given attention to. And people, trust me, this has changed my life to a great extent. I am way happier than before. I'm way satisfied with myself than before. Just like me focusing on myself and my growth, because I believe if I grow, only then I can help others to grow. Only then I can contribute towards something positive for the entire community. Why do I look like, back then when we were kids, about 7 or 8 years old, we got our mom's lipsticks. We applied it secretly and then said, oh, I don't know, I didn't use that lipstick. I look like that right now. It's really soft and it also doesn't feel harsh at all. Subtle on my lips, gentle on my lips. So yeah, this product for me is... Lip scrub has definitely softened my lips, and also it has left a slight pinkish tint to it. I don't know whether it is visible in the camera or not, but it definitely has. Now moving on to the last step of the skincare routine, of my nighttime skincare routine. This one, before revealing what the product is, let me tell you, you haven't heard of this before, you haven't used this before. Even if you have, you're privileged, you're unique, you're exceptional, because I myself have never used or heard of it ever before. This is the first time in my life when I received the product. I was like, bro, what is this? And This is none other than the Bella Vita Organics Skin Solve Multi-Benefit Butter Balm. Butter balm? We have heard lip balms, we have heard body balms, we have heard different balms, but what is a butter balm? I mean, when I first received it, I thought it to be a lip balm only, but when I read about the product details, I came to know that it can be used for various purposes, like many purposes. This one basically promotes radiant, soft and supple skin, and it claims to help in dryness repair, soothes irritation, rash relief, lightens stretch marks, etc. And it also is adult, teens and kids friendly. Basically, this is something which is for everybody, starting from the kid to the oldest person you have in your house. Let me tell you once again, I was so intrigued with the product. I was so excited to use this. I have used this once or twice. But before sharing the review, let me share texture with you. I guess it's glistening in the camera. You can guess how many butters it has. I'm definitely assuring you it has ingredients like shea butter, I guess. If I'm not wrong, yeah, shea butter, mango butter, kokum butter, cocoa butter. Basically, it has all the good butters that you need for your skin. I already used it on my hands. And because it is a multi-purpose butter balm, I'm going to use it as a lip balm first. Not bad, doing a great job as a lip balm. I'm also going to apply a very thin layer on my face because I haven't used a moisturizer, and this is going to be my moisturizer for tonight. Because it has butters in it, I'm going to apply only a very thin layer, and I'll try to avoid my oily areas because I do not want too much of product in that area, which is my T-zone. So I'll just apply once there. On my dry areas, I'm applying a generous layer. This one has zero fragrance, but again, there's a hint of butters in it. Like you can feel that there are the skin-friendly butters that you need. This is something that has intrigued me a lot, and I cannot stop crushing over it because definitely I can use it as a hand cream, a moisturizer, a lip balm. I can basically use it as anything that I want. It is a multi-purpose balm and it definitely does the work for me. Another life update. I am trying to work on various projects from the next year 2022, and I hope they work. I cannot reveal what they are because if they don't work, it's a fail and I don't want to be embarrassed. Basically, I'm working for various projects. I'm planning on various projects from my end, totally my thing. So I hope they work. That's all that I can give on updates. And back to the balm, because it's winter days right now. This balm is your perfect friend. Like you can carry it anywhere. Can use it anytime you want. So for me, because it is unique, because it is multi-purpose, this butter balm is definitely a... So that was tonight's nighttime skincare routine with Bella Vita Organic. Now my overall review for all the products. First, I loved using the products. They stand to what they claim to do. They're very gentle and soft and supple on your skin. Like they're not at all harsh. You can feel it, you can sense it while using it itself. I think they are definitely going to work if you're planning to use it. Second, keeping in mind all the products, you can use all the products as a regime, as a skincare regime. My personal preference is to make it into a nighttime skincare regime. Third, while using the products, you can feel that they have the natural essence in it. I felt the natural essence in it. Also, the brand claims to draw its formulations from the techniques and ideas of Ayurveda, which is very great, very amazing. Fourth, the products are not going to disappoint you because definitely they are not something that you will be scared to use or you'll be worried that they might have some kind of too much ingredients which might harm your skin. All the ingredients that the products have, they're very gentle and suitable for your skin. And also because it is winter time, I feel some of the products are specifically great to be used during winters. The last point, all the products are super affordable. The ones that I used tonight, they are barely of the range of about 200 to 500 or 600, something like that. So yes, they are very affordable. If in case you want to know more about the product details, the link has been attached on my description. Do make sure you check them out, and if in case you're using, do make sure you let me know. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for being there during my nighttime skincare routine with Bella Vita Organic and for also keeping a track on my life updates. We'll meet you next time. Bye-bye.